love chemistry. It's a practical subject, it's a challenging subject, it's got some really fun and exciting new knowledge that you're going to learn over these next 2 years. Chemists are in a really high demand, so it's a fabulous subject to choose. You can see just from what I've written on the side here, just how important chemistry is in your everyday life. We use OCR as our exam board, and the specification we do is the Chemistry A specification. We've taught this for a number of years now, so we're very confident in teaching OCR Chemistry A. We also know that lots of schools have moved to this specification because it's one of the most interesting, it's one of the most relevant to everyday life. It's also one that's accessible, and the exams students seem to quite enjoy. As you can see from this slide, the content that you study in Year 12 and in Year 13 really builds on what you have done before. So you'll notice that all those topics that you've studied at GCSE, you already have that basic knowledge that you're going to build on over these next 2 years. Year 12 content is very accessible, it's very interesting, and then that Year 13 content builds on what you have already learned. So your knowledge is growing and growing over time. Throughout the course, there are plenty of practical skills that we're going to develop. This actually is assessed in a separate method. This is called your practical endorsement, and you'll get a separate certificate for your practical endorsement that goes alongside the A-level chemistry that you achieve. We have a really strong teaching team at chemistry at Prince Henry's Grammar School. We have got 4 A-level chemistry teachers, and we've all been teaching for a very long time, so we know our stuff really well. We also manage to support you, and because we really love our subject, and as you move through chemistry to A-level, you'll see that you develop that passion for your subject too. But because we love our subject, we love supporting you at A-level chemistry. We provide an evening session once a week so that you can come in after school and you can have a chat about any concerns that you have, any questions that you have that have cropped up in that week. And we can use that time maybe to help you revise and develop your revision skills before you do exams. We've also put together quite a few resources for you. So if you follow the link on this slide, you will notice that every unit of work that we cover at A-level has got video clips, it's got questions, it's got notes, it's got lots of things to help you in your learning when you're learning maybe yourself independently in your private study, your supported study, or part of your home learning.